morning, guys. Today we are up at the 2019 Sisig Festival held right here in Angeles City in Pampanga, and we came up here to check it out. I've eaten sisig. I've eaten lots of sisig before, but I've never come up here to the original place where it all started, right here. Aling Lucing, right? Look, the Sisig Queen, established in 1974, Pampanga special. But this is where it all started. This place here is, well, it's pretty famous. It's well known. Let me show you. This is where Anthony Bourdain came and ate. I think Andrew Zimmer ate sisig here. But their staff is really friendly, really nice. Here's their montage wall. Here it is, Anthony Bourdain, Hearts Unknown. That's him right there. Like him or not. But this is where it all started. Boy, it smells good here. Here's the restaurant. Man, look at that. That smells good. That's it right there. Like I said, I've never eaten here. I don't know if I'm going to eat here tonight, but I do plan to come up here sometime. But that's it right there. That hot sizzling plate. They got the plates cooking on the grill here, heating up everything. But here it is. Here's where it all started. Looks like they serve other food here besides sisig. But anyways, look. Tell us more about sisig. Tell us more about sisig.
Sisig, what about it?
Tell us about sisig.
No, I think before the story, it's about this woman, Aling Lucing, was used to work in Clark. So Clark base before. I think the Clark military before didn't like the pig head. And then I think she boiled it, like she overcooked it. And then that's how she started to fry them.
That's how she kind of invented. Something like that. Look it up. We got it kind of right, but it's part of the pig head, and they boil it, fry it, cook it up, and then serve it. Like I said, I've had it before. It's really good. But here it is. Here's where it all started. But anyways, right down here is the festival. You can see all the flags are up. Parking's a premium. Parking's a pain anyways, it's a pain trying to find parking space up in this area anyways. We drove around the block and then finally found something and then just stopped there. But never, like I said, never been to this festival. Spit it out. Never been to this festival before. And I told Lud, I said, hey, let's come up here. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going on. It's supposed to start at 6 p.m. I don't know, it's like right around 6 o'clock anyways, somewhere around there. But if it's like anything else, it'll start on the later side. Sun is going down. Nice, beautiful evening. Nice little breeze. So let's check this Sisig Festival out. Alright, so it seems to be pretty festival. There's a lot going on. Looks like they have some kind of bull ride going on here. No challengers yet. This is free of charge to the public. They don't charge to come in, free of charge. And what do they got? They got tourists. Everybody, you know, has got their booths set up, displaying things. Looks like these guys are waiting. Hi. Looks like they're waiting for some. Hello, hello. Waiting to get. Waiting to eat some sisig. I don't know. But it's right here on what, this Valdez Street, something like that. Valdez Street, it's called. And right now the music is not cranking, so might as well get a good little video and a little walking video. We got some barbecue going on here. Fresh Options is here.
Souvenir shirt po.
Oh, no, thank you. Souvenir shirts, 250 peso, right?
For only 250.
250 peso only. Okay. Yeah, there's the souvenir shirts. It's like fish balls and chicken. I know it's a sisig festival, yet they're serving all kinds of food. Look at this side. Look at that, looks good, huh? It's a sisig festival. Where's all the sisig, lit? Yeah. Chicken sisig. Flame here. Huh? What am I looking at? Fresh Options. Hi, say hi. Oh, got your plants. Got some plants here, look. Plants. Where's the roots? What happened to roots? Look at this, that looks killer, huh? Bogo House. Hello. Oh yeah, man, it just smells good. Look, it's got a handful. Oh, it's got a handful of brochures.
First option, Angeles fried chicken sisig.
Yeah, this kid's got a drone. Got the stage down here. What are all the tables for, I wonder?
Oh, that's all for the people who are going to come here and eat. This is all like.
Oh, hey, there's some sisig right there. There's sisig. I guess you could find almost anything you need here and want to eat. This kind of looks like the extent of it. I guess we're a little early, huh, Lut?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're probably a little early, but that's all right. All right, guys, we had to step out for a second. Kind of let you know what was going on. I mean, just music coming from everywhere in there. I don't want to scream over the microphone, or I don't want to scream into the, into the camera, and hopefully you guys catch what's going on. But at the very end of the festival, up where the stages, they've got this huge, what would you call it, Lit?
I know, sisig plates.
Like a huge sisig plate. I mean, it's massive, and it's like aluminum foil inside of it, and underneath they're throwing charcoal underneath there, like tons and tons of charcoal underneath there. And look, they're cooking how many? How much are they cooking?
60 kilos. It's gonna be like 120 pounds.
Like 60 kilos, 120 pounds. I guess that's the math, I don't know, of sisig in this huge plate. And then they're gonna feed people, right? They're gonna give out free sisig and stuff. But I mean, this thing is huge, it's massive. And they're gonna be cooking on it. It's just cool to see. Like I said, I had to step out, kind of let you know what was going on, because man, music is just blaring and coming from all directions. You guys, another thing I noticed here, make sure I don't get run over, there's a lot of security here. A lot of police, military here. So it's a safe place to be. I mean, you see military guys, PNP, local police. They got ambulances here. They got tourist police here. They got everybody here. Mayor might even be here, I don't know. But Yeah, it's a very secured place. All right, guys, so we have decided to end our Sisig festival at Aling. How do you spell it? Aling Lucing Sisig place here. And hey, what better way to end it than where it started? And we're in the restaurant right now, but like you can see like all the photos here of her. I don't know, all these people. These are some old photos. Write-ups about her. There's different news articles about her. She's passed away now. But like the wall, I mean, check it out. The wall is just dedicated to her. Sorry, I'm standing over a fan. Here's the walls like just dedicated to her. From the beginning, the photos. Sisig Queen. Some more photos. You see it's pretty full in here. A lot of people eating in here. But I figured, you know what? Might as well come here, end our vlog here at, hey, where it started. And we ordered some sisig, and I'll show you the sisig, and I'll let you know how it tastes. All right, guys, here it is. Here is our pork sisig. You can see the juices are just bubbling away inside the hot pan, and that looks good. We're gonna give it a shot. It looks masarap, right? Look, masarap. All right, look, give it a shot and let me know what you think. It's good?
Really, really good. Tasty.
Real good and tasty. Yeah. Now what you do is you get a little lemon like this, and then you squeeze the lemon juice all over. No, that's, what is it? Calamansi. Little calamansi. Squeeze a little calamansi. If you want some pepper, you throw a little pepper in with it. But I'm going to give it a shot now. I don't put the pepper on. I just use the calamansi. I don't use rice. None of that. I've had it already with an egg on top. This has no egg. It's just pure, I guess, pork head, onion, and calamansi. That is really good. It's got a nice juicy flavor to it. It's not dry. A little chew to it, but it also has a little bit of like
Meat.
kind of like meaty, kind of like a jerky meat into it. But that's really good. Really, really good. All right, guys. So I'm going to give you, and Luke wants to give you, our opinion on the Sisig Festival here in Angeles City, Pampanga. Look, what is your thoughts?
It's fun, but I expect like sisig all together. I expect like different kind of sisig and then try to eat this. I think it's about like, I expect that like a contest, like who's gonna win for sisig. Like,
yeah. My thoughts is, you know what, it was a nice festival. It was very nice. If you're up in the area when they had the festival, I highly recommend coming to it. It was fun. Everybody was laughing. Everybody was smiling. Everybody was having a good time. What I would like to see, I don't know how new this festival is, but what I would like to see in the future is like have like other sisig vendors there, kind of like set up so you can try different sisig from, say, like different areas and stuff, and, you know, compare it from one to another, have competitions like that. But all in all, I think it was a great festival. It was neat. Like I said, if you are in the area when they have it, or, you know, come up and check it out. It is neat. We're leaving early. They got bands going on now and stuff, and it was starting to get really, really full in there. So it was a good time, I guess, had by all. Right, Lut?
yeah.
All right, guys.